give it a second for YouTube to wake up. So hopefully the lighting is good. It's a pretty dark day here today. Obviously, we're past our summer solstice, so it's getting darker earlier in the morning. So with that being said, we are live. Welcome here. If you're this first time here, make sure you like the video, comment, tell us what you think, tell us what you want to hear about, and subscribe. We got a lot of great content coming, a lot of great content already on the channel, so be sure to check it out. So what we're doing here today is the boating weather forecast for today, July 2 through Sunday, August 4. August 2 through Sunday, August 4 for the lower state of Michigan. So this is for all the big lakes, all the Great Lakes around the lower peninsula of Michigan, so people can plan their boating activities for the weekend. And we'll get started. So, starting out of South Haven. Today, you're looking at north winds 5 to 15 knots, increasing to 15 to 20 knots late in the day. Partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms, waves 1 to 3 feet. Tonight, north winds 5 to 15 knots, sunny, waves 1 to 2 feet. And then Saturday, it's pretty much the same thing. North winds 5 to 15 knots, sunny, waves 1 to 2 feet. Saturday night, north winds 10 to 15 knots, decreasing to around 5 knots late at night, then backing southwest toward daybreak, mostly clear, waves 1 to 2 feet. Sunday, west winds 5 to 10 knots, mostly sunny, waves 1 foot or less. So, Sunday looks to be a good day to be out on the water. Saturday, pretty good, just got to be aware it's going to be a little bit of windy, so some smaller craft, just got to be careful. Other than that, pretty much a good day other than today, really. Today is the one that looks like not a great day to be on the water with the storms. Grand Haven. Here there's a Coast Guard Festival going on, so hopefully you can get out there and check that out. Today, north-northwest wind 9 to 15 knots. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms before 9 a.m. Waves 1 to 2 feet. And it looks like they got a nice little storm system parked over top of that for what the radar looks like for Michigan, so I'm sure they're getting rained on right now. Tonight, north wind 9 to 13 knots, mostly clear, waves 1 to 2 feet. So it is not settling down, it's going to be about the same. Saturday, north-northwest wind 9 to 12 knots, sunny, waves around a foot. And Saturday night, north-northwest wind 5 to 11 knots, becoming west after midnight, mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. So Saturday looks like a good day. It's going to be choppy with those kind of winds, and it says for around a foot, it's going to be some pretty solid chop. Sunday, south-southwest wind around 6 to 9 knots, mostly sunny, waves 1 foot or less. And then Sunday night, southwest wind around 10 knots, becoming north-northeast after midnight, mostly cloudy, waves 1 foot or less. So, Saturday looks like a beautiful day, and so does Sunday. Sunday looks like the wind dies down a tiny bit. So, other than that, beautiful weekend out in Grand Haven. Ludington, today, north wind 5 to 12 knots, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms before 7 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, north-northeast wind 5 to 8 knots, mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday, north-northwest wind 5 to 10 knots, sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday night, variable winds 5 knots or less. Increased in clouds, waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, south wind 6 to 11 knots, becoming west in the afternoon, mostly sunny, waves 1 foot or less. And then Sunday night, west wind 6 to 10 knots, becoming north-northeast after midnight. A chance of showers after 1 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. So, Saturday looks like a great day to be out in the water for Ludington. And then Sunday, yeah, I think Sunday's going to be a great day also. Less wind than you get in the Grand Haven area and down south, it looks like. So, looks like to be a lot nicer weather up there. So, the Grand Traverse Bay area, specifically out of Northport, the buoy out of Northport. Today, variable winds less than 5 knots, becoming north-northwest 5 to 10 in the morning, mostly cloudy, then gradually becoming sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, variable winds 5 knots or less, mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday, north-northwest wind 5 to 10 knots. Sunny, waves 1 foot or less. And then Saturday night, variable winds 5 knots or less, increasing clouds, waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, north wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming northwest in the afternoon. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms before 10 a.m. Then a slight chance of showers between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after 1 p.m. Waves 1 foot or less. Sunday night, north wind 5 to 10 knots. Chance of showers, waves 1 foot or less. So today and tomorrow looks like actually a great day to be in Graven Traverse Bay. And Sunday, there's a chance of showers rolling through at some point. It's hard to say when. So maybe Saturday's your day to be out there. Petoskey area. Today, variable winds 5 knots or less, mostly cloudy, then gradually becoming sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, variable winds 5 knots or less, mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday, north-northwest wind 5 to 10 knots, sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday night, variable winds 5 knots or less, and a chance of showers between 1 a.m. and 4 a.m. Then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after 4 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, northwest wind around 5 to 10 knots, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms, waves 1 foot or less. Sunday night, variable winds 5 knots or less, chance of showers, waves 1 foot or less. So today looks like a great day to be out in Petoskey, and then Saturday looks like a great day, so it looks like there's going to be some storms rolling in overnight, but that's about it. Other than that, Saturday looks good, and Sunday it's just going to be kind of a weather dependent. It may change by the time Saturday night and Sunday hits, so just be aware of that. Sunday may not be a good day. So, the Mackinac Straits area. Anybody going to the island this weekend? This is your weather forecast. Variable winds today. Variable winds 5 knots or less, mostly sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, variable winds 5 knots or less, mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday, north-northwest wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming west-northwest in the afternoon, sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday night, northwest wind 5 to 10 knots, a slight chance of showers after 2 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. And then Sunday, northwest wind 5 to 10 knots, a chance of showers and thunderstorms mainly between 8 a.m. and 2 p.m., waves 1 foot or less. And then Sunday night, north-northwest wind 5 to 10 knots, partly cloudy, waves 1 foot or less. So, today looks like a beautiful day to be out there, that's for sure. Saturday looks like a great day, and then Sunday there's a chance of morning storms. Other than that, looks like a great time to be on the water up in the Straits area. So Alpena, today you're looking at variable winds 5 knots or less, partly sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, variable winds 5 knots or less, mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday, northwest wind around 10 knots, becoming north in the afternoon, sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday night, variable winds 5 knots or less, mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, north-northwest wind 5 to 10 knots, a slight chance of showers, then a chance of thunderstorms after 2 p.m., waves 1 foot or less. And then Sunday night, northwest wind 5 to 10 knots, a chance of showers, waves 1 foot or less. So today looks like a beautiful day to be out there. Saturday, it looks like a great day as well. Same low wave count, low wave height. And then Sunday, you got a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. So other than that, great weekend so far for Alpena. So the Saginaw Bay area, specifically out of Essexville. Today, you're looking at northeast winds 5 to 8 knots, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms mainly between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m., waves 1 foot or less. Then tonight, east-northeast wind around 6 knots, becoming variable less than 5 knots after midnight, partly cloudy, waves 1 foot or less. So, today's not looking like a bad day to be out there at all, except for the chance of storms that are rolling through in the afternoon. Saturday, north-northwest wind around 8 knots, sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Excuse me. And then Saturday night, Northeast wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming northwest after midnight. Mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. And then Sunday, west-southwest wind 5 to 8 knots, mostly sunny, waves 1 foot or less. And then Sunday night, southwest wind around 9 knots, becoming north-northwest after midnight. A chance of showers after 2 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. So, today, obviously there's a chance of storms in the afternoon. Saturday looks like a great day to be on the water itself. And then Sunday, honestly, Sunday looks like a good day as well too, so I'd definitely be out there on the water if you can. So, Monroe, Detroit River, Lake Erie area. Today, you're looking at variable winds, 5 knots or less, a chance of showers and thunderstorms, then showers likely and possibly a thunderstorm after 2 p.m., waves 1 foot or less. So, gotta be aware of that today. Tonight, variable winds, 5 knots or less, showers likely and possibly a thunderstorm before 8 p.m., then a chance of showers and thunderstorms between 8 p.m. and 2 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. Saturday, variable winds, less than 5 knots, becoming north around 6 knots in the afternoon, mostly sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday night, variable winds 5 knots or less, mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, variable winds 5 knots or less, sunny, waves 1 foot or less. And then Sunday night, variable winds 5 knots or less, partly cloudy, waves 1 foot or less. So today looks like a bad day to be on the water out there, but Saturday and Sunday look absolutely great with pretty much no wind. That's going to be a flat lake to be out on the water. So hopefully you guys can get out there and enjoy that. So that is the boating weather forecast for the lower peninsula of Michigan that covers all the 3 Great Lakes that we are attached to and some major points and cities around it. So yeah, hopefully this is helpful. So be sure to like the video, comment, tell us what you think, tell us what you want to hear about, and subscribe. We got a lot of great content coming, a lot of great content already on the channel, so be sure to check it out, and remember to have a great adventure.